Good morning and welcome to France. I came over for a little Easter break. So went on the Thursday because everybody predicted bad traffic for Good Friday. So yeah, I had a good run yesterday. Left the Cambridge office at around about 1 o'clock. Made it to the port in good time. They put me on a ferry earlier than I booked, so I was in France actually at the same time I was planning on leaving Britain. So yeah. Once in France, I looked up this little spot to stay the night, and now we are going to see our first site, which actually will be in Belgium, France. But we are very, very close to the Belgian border. So yeah, just go through this little area here, and then roughly 1.5 hours we are access. If you're a mountain goat or a youngling, you probably can make your way in there. But me, old fart, no chance. Without pooping my pants, that is. Okay. Hauteroche Castle or Chateau Hauteroche. Tick. Yeah, today, Good Friday. What happened? Quite a lot. And nothing. Yeah, first went to this castle. Was a little bit of a downer because you can't get in, but fair enough. Point of a castle, not to get in. Then thought, okay, next point on my route that looked good was this Citadel de something, right over the border from Belgium into France. That's closed today, so it opens on Monday, so it's closed over Easter. But there was at least a supermarket next door and they had exactly the stuff I wanted. Then thought, okay, find a place for the night and start the trip officially tomorrow, because today was always planned as just a driving day down into this area. Came to this little free camping area in Germany. It's next to the town of Bitburg. Massive car park where you can stay overnight. No signs tell you not to stay there. So yeah, this is the car park. Huge. It's a park for night near Bitburg, near the reservoir next to Bitburg. It's not the one right at the reservoir, it's a little bit further up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you get 20 or so campervans in here, but be respectful. Discard of your trash, at least you have trash cans here, so it's easy. Don't break anything, as always. Be respectful so other people can come and enjoy it. Yeah. Dinner. Good morning, welcome back to Germany. Just on my way to the Teufelsschlucht, or Devil's Canyon. Apparently they have dinosaurs here. Yeah, so the dinosaurs are still sleeping. It's not open yet. I have to say it's fairly early. Just after 9 o'clock in the morning. Let's explore the area around the park. I am in the Südeifel, which means the south of the Eifel area. It's an old volcanic area, so you see some round lakes here and conic mountains, and beautiful area, and yeah, a lot of excavations going on here. And they find a lot of dino bones and other stuff. So let's have a look what's going on here. good thing I chose to go early in the morning. It's getting a bit crowded now. But 10,000 steps. Okay, more people.